Now the last part of this chapter is to finally just compute the weighted average cost of capital across different debt and equity ratios. So you will use the formula introduced in the PowerPoint slides. Okay, so debt ratio times cost of debt. You can use either ex ante or ex post because they are just basically the same thing. So I'm going to use ex post. And then, of course, you will have to apply this 1 minus tax rate, right? Remember that, your tax rate has to be locked. And then add that to equity ratio times cost of equity. Okay. And then make sure you are copying the same formula throughout. And then you're done. So you will see that weighted average cost of capital would be different across different debt and equity ratios. Now, what is the minimum WACC then? Minimum WACC in this case would be minimum value. Of course, it's not exactly minimum, but among the weighted average cost of capital that we computed, the minimum value would be 6.05%. And at that point, if you kind of highlight this row, you will see that the debt ratio at this point would be 70%. And of course, equity ratio would be the remainder, which is 1 minus 70%, or you can just simply type in 30%. Okay, so if your debt ratio was 70%, equity ratio was 30%, you would have a high chance that you're getting the lowest WACC possible.